Okay, there's an awful lot of gaskets on my engine that I can replace with a cornflakes packet. Yeah, if I've got a piece of cardboard that happens to sort of be nice thin card, and I chop it out to the same size and bore a couple of holes in it, I can use any old cardboard, right? And then there are certain gaskets that have to be this manufacturer's thickness, all right? The rubber seal around the outside of this guy, that's one seal of 3 that this pump needs to experience. You put a too fat a gasket on the cover plate and you half these other 2 very important sealing surfaces. Yeah? So always, generally, preferably try to use the manufacturer's one that comes with the new replacement. If you get really, really stuck, literally the best thing you can use is a piece of foolscap out of your pad. Yeah. Then what I do, and this is to stop the cauliflowers for anyone who hasn't come across this, is Lanacoat, and I rub it into the paper. Yeah. 2 things: it stops the capillary of water transversing across the surface and the salt, and then it means that when I take it off for inspection, is the impeller buggered or not? Oh shit, I've just torn the gasket in half and now I'm not just inspecting, I'm now changing the gasket. Yeah. So if I put Lanacoat on there, gasket comes off, gasket goes on.